I'm about to put the first coat of aquacote on. I washed it down and then I left it dry pretty well, and I've run the brush over it and spread the water. Notice there's no fish eyeing. A couple of spots where it's drying out where there's less water, that's fine. This is a good time to put your first coat on. As the surface is going like this, it's a good indicator that you're pretty well there. Ooh, see that? We've got some fish eyeing. That's contamination. Wonder what's caused that. Could even be my fingerprint going on there, you know. Bugger. Might be just as drying out faster. We'll see. Here's our seat. We've got a second coat on. It's looking pretty good, except it was hot and it tipped off really fast. I only did this 5-10 minutes ago and it's already gone. Look how I tried to play with it and I stuffed it because it was already going off. Look here. Never play with this product, and I should know better. If you go back over it and it's already started to tip off, that's when you'll have problems, and that's what happened to me here. I'll see if I can fix it up in the next coat. I've just finished putting a fourth coat on. I've gone to 20% water. It's flowing a lot better as hot as it is today, but notice it's gone milky. That means I've put the next coat on a bit too soon. Don't sweat it. What'll happen as the water comes out of it and it dries, that milkiness will disappear. So I'll do a little video. I'm going out for 4 or 5 hours now that I've put the fourth coat on, and we'll have a look at it when I get back.